So hello everyone, welcome back to the series. So in the last video, we talked about what cybersecurity is, why it's becoming one of the fastest growing careers, and how AI is transforming the cybersecurity industry. So I also shared how this series will help you understand every module in a simple and practical way. So today, let's move to our second module, which is networking fundamentals. Okay. So think about this. You send a WhatsApp message to your friend and you watch a YouTube video and you join a Zoom meeting, and all of this happens within seconds. But have you ever wondered how does your data know exactly where to go? So the answer lies one of the most important concept in technology, which is networking. So what is networking first? So in simple words, networking is a process of connecting two or more devices so they can communicate and exchange information each other. Okay. So you're like your mobile phone, your laptop, your smart TV, your printer, your office computers, your cloud servers, and even smart devices at home are all connected through networks. Okay, so you can think of networking as road systems of the digital world. Just as road helps vehicles reach their destination, networks help data travel safely from one device to another device. Now, here is why networking is so important in cybersecurity. Every cyber attack happens through a network. Before attacking, hackers must understand how devices communicate, identify weak points, and then try to exploit them. So, on the other hand, cybersecurity professionals use the same networking knowledge to monitor traffic, to detect suspicious activities, to stop attacks, and protect sensitive information. That's why whether you become a security analyst and you become a ethical hacker, stock analyst, penetration tester, or cloud security engineer, so networking is one skill you will use throughout your career. So today, networking is everywhere. It is used in banks, it is used in hospitals, it is used in schools, airports, government organizations, multinational companies, cloud platforms, even in your own home. So every email, online payment, video call, cloud application, and website depends on networking. So without networking, the digital world simply wouldn't work. So that was a quick overview of a networking module. As you can see, networking is much more than connecting computers. It's a foundation of how our entire digital world communicates. So if you want to build a successful career in cybersecurity and understand networking is absolutely essential, so in our next video, we will move to the next module, which is Linux, and we will understand why Linux is the preferred operating system for cybersecurity professionals around the world. And if you want to learn cybersecurity and ethical hacking with real world practicals and real projects, so and industry focused training, so make sure to join us at Sky States. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and so you never miss the next module in this series. So thanks for the watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.